sure got another Amazon package. I got an AIO cooler instead, the liquid cooler. This is because it's not much worse than like an air cooler. It will never leak. These are way better at cooling processors and stuff. So let's move on and unbox it. I am selling my deep-cooled AK620 air cooler. Is there a shipping label on the box? Yeah, there is. I better be careful. So I'm just gonna show you, like, see if I can actually remove it. Yep, I can remove it. It's almost gone now. There we go. Let's take a close look at the back of the box first. So it includes like 3 fans already. Like it's a steal. It's not much more expensive than like the best air cooler, and this is far more reliable and better at cooling processes and stuff. It has the brackets and stuff, just like I got with the air cooler, but it has 3 fans instead of 2 on the air cooler, and it has RGB, and it's a lot nicer. I don't even need a screen. The deep cool AK620 is probably like inaccurate and stuff. I looked at like Amazon reviews and they say it's like 10 degrees off. It's not good. I wouldn't recommend it. This is far more compatible. I don't need a screen at all. I want to install a sensor panel into my gaming PC's tower, and hopefully speakers. However, the AIO might take up more space. But it's better. The liquid cool, like an Intel Core i7 14700K and processing stuff. Also, the i9 gets very hot too. Like air cooling is not a good thing if you're like overclocking and stuff. And I would like to overclock my CPU without a problem. So here it is. It is pretty heavy. I paid like $110 for this. It's a steal. Much nicer and much more compatible. I bought Asus TUF gaming. I wonder if the fans are different. If they're not that much different, I'll probably like keep the fans and stuff. I might have to sell the ones I bought. That's no big deal. I might use one of them. Just some hardware and stuff. There's journal case, it's nice. There's stickers as well, and this is a lot nicer. There are other good brands such as Corsair and stuff, Cooler Master and stuff. You can buy like different brands and they offer really good reliability and stuff. However, this is a good deal. This usually goes for $150. There's no need to buy a high-end AIO. It's probably not much better than the mid-range ones such as the TUF game. I'm going to be extra careful. This is, well, it looks like it's even good fish, nonetheless. That's pretty big. But it's not as, like, terribly heavy as the deep cool 8K, so it's funny. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on a processor. I don't think it's going to destroy your processor, but it's a lot lighter. An AI is a lot lighter than the air cooler. And it's far more reliable for cooling heat CPUs and stuff like that. Just CPUs. Actually, stuff like that. This is meant to put a processor. that needs further anymore. That's fine. Grabber doesn't really matter. Plus there's apps to make corrections if you were like trying to do it like an essay and stuff. You might get poor grades if you don't check your grammar, but I would just double check still. That's very nice. It looks like a AC condenser coils. That is very nice. It's so much fancier. I'd rather have an AIO more than an air cooler, actually. It's all-in-one air cooler coming down significantly in terms of pricing and stuff. Let's take a close look at the mounting hardware. I'm gonna have to sell this today, I believe. Because it's RGB kits, that's good. Probably. It's probably a splitter though. That's nice. That's it. I'm not gonna take this out too much. I gotta be careful. But that's it. Thanks for watching.